Hello and welcome to the tutorial for Kahoot. In this tutorial we're going to go over the Kahoot basics, how to create a Kahoot quiz, and why Kahoot is great to use in your classroom. So just to get started, Kahoot is an interactive learning site that's used primarily for review questions and quizzes. The first thing you're going to need to do is create your free account using your .net email address. And if you have used Kahoot before and you already have an account, you're going to go ahead and click sign in. And once you're signed into Kahoot, you're going to have three different options of items you would like to create. You can create a quiz, a discussion, or a survey. Most of the time you're going to be creating a quiz, since this is an interactive site that's used primarily for review questions and review games. So we're going to practice making a quiz today. And you're going to give your quiz a name. So we'll just say this one is test quiz and click go. And once you're at this screen, this is the main interface that you're going to use to create your quiz questions. At the very top, it'll have a box for you to type in your question name. So we're just going to type something generic. So is a dog a mammal? Okay, and then after you have your question, you can select the specifics that you want for each question. So you can choose if you want your question to be worth points or no points. Typically the kids enjoy having the questions worth points. It makes them a little bit more competitive, and they get really into the game and try to get the highest score in the class. Also, you can select the time limit that you want allotted for each question. You can pick anything ranging from 5 seconds all the way up to 120 seconds per question, depending on the needs of your class. In addition to that, you can also add images to your question. This is a great tool, especially if you are working with younger children and you want your quiz to be primarily just picture-based. This can also be great for ESL students or EC students as well. And it can also enhance your quiz questions. So to do that, what you would do is select choose file. And from here, you can select a picture or an image that you have saved to your desktop, something that you might have saved to your downloads if it's a picture you've downloaded from the internet, or if it's something you already have saved in your iPhoto library. You can import from anywhere. In addition to that, you can also add in a video to go with each question. The videos do need to come from YouTube, so you would go to youtube.com, select the video that you would like to use, and you would copy and paste the URL into the box right here. And the URL is the web address for that video. So after you've created the questions and kind of the specifics for that question, the next thing you're going to want to do is select your answer choices. So you can have up to 4 answer choices per question, but for this one we're going to just do a true-false answer choice option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete 2 of my answer choices just so I have a true-false, and you need to select one as the correct answer. So we're going to select true. And from here, you're going to continue adding your questions until your quiz is complete. Once you've completed your quiz, you're going to select the green button down here that says next, reorder your questions. And oops, we're going to delete that one real quick. And that would be just if you want to reorganize any of the order of your questions that you've created. So once you've reordered your questions, you're going to click settings. And this is an optional page that you can do. This just allows you to put in a brief description about your quiz for others to view. I'm just going to put test again. And the tags are keywords that you can use to help identify your quiz for others. So that's going to be your settings. And the next piece is to select a cover image. This is also optional. And you would select your cover image the same way that you selected an image to go with your quiz questions. So you would select choose file, and you can import something from your desktop, from your downloads if it's a picture from the internet, or also from your iPhoto library. And you can paste that in here. You can also embed a YouTube video, again, down here, and what that will do is have a cover music and cover picture while the kids are logging into the game. And you can have that option too. Once you've created that, you're going to go ahead and click Done. And now you are ready to play your quiz with your class. The kids, in order for them to play the Kahoot quiz, are going to have to log into kahoot.it, which will pop up on the screen once you click play. I hope you enjoy using Kahoot.